3 days ago, on November 6th at 11:30 a.m. local time, our friend Wuwa, who has been constantly providing video information from Gigafactory Shanghai, said he was standing at the west entrance of the Tesla's factory in Shanghai and saw this fully camouflaged car. He says, judging by the design of the windows, it's most likely the Tesla Model Y. But if this is the Model Y, then why it's camouflaged when we know that Tesla is going to have a Model Y coming from Giga Shanghai? Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. So our friend Wuwa is riding, and I'm using this video with his permission, and he has given me permission to use his videos. He is riding and saying that on the morning of November 6th, I was passing by the west gate of the Giga Shanghai factory on my way back to the original location after completing the ground recording of the west side of the factory when I found a fully camouflaged car parked at the west gate ready to enter the factory. I immediately realized that this car should be the made in China Tesla Model Y that everyone has been talking about recently. I quickly took out my camera to shoot, and when I ran to the bridge, the camouflaged car had been slowly driving into the factory. Now, let me ask you questions. We don't know why this is what actually Wuwa said in the description of his video. Now, we don't know why they think they need to camouflage it. I don't know why Tesla needs to camouflage it. I mean, we all know what Model Y looks like, and we all know they're going to build that in the factory. But very exciting, and that's very exciting for Tesla. But I mean, really, why putting it in a camouflage wrap while everybody knows the Model Y? It's not secret, and anybody knows that Shanghai in this new factory will be building the Model Y, right? So the camo wrap makes no sense to me. Or could it be that this is the smaller new car, the $25,000 Tesla vehicle that has been teasing to us, that Tesla has been teasing to us for some time now? The backside looks quite different than the Model Y, right? So Wuwa says that the window looks like the Model Y, but the backside kind of looks quite different. Or do you think it seems to me? What are your thoughts on this, friends? Let me know. I think Wuwa was on the right place, in the right time. Let's hope that the factory can produce 1,000 vehicles a week for all December. We add that to the fourth quarter number. I'm telling this because, you know, this morning I reported news that Tesla supplier from Giga Shanghai revealed to a Chinese news website, I think KR36 or something, 36KR or something, that Tesla will be making more than 550,000 vehicles at Giga Shanghai in 2021. This is a big advance for Tesla, and this is going to be Tesla's actually more than half of Tesla's goal of making about 900,000 vehicles in 2021. So friends, let me know what your thoughts are on this, and if you haven't seen how things are going at Giga Shanghai, I'm also sharing Wuwa's previous video recording that you can see how full is the parking lot and how many vehicles are there. You know that Tesla is exporting vehicles from Giga Shanghai to Europe, to Germany, France, Netherlands, and so on, and the parking lot is full. Looks like there's a good demand for Giga Shanghai. Let's take a look at that, and in the meantime, please let me know, share your thoughts of what do you think this camouflaged Tesla vehicle is. Is it the Model Y, a little bit different, that's why it's camouflaged, or is this Tesla's new, less expensive $25,000 or so car, which Tesla hopes to attract more new demographic of people to buy this car? So let's continue watching Wuwa's video, and in the meantime, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Friends, subscribe to our channel, please, if you are here for the first time, and for daily Tesla news, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. Have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless you, and I'll see you soon. Here's what Wuwa has to share with us more.